However, now that you're playing in the vast ocean of headsets, as I mentioned, it means you're up against the likes of Amazon, and Amazon just cut the price on their new Echo Buds all the way down to $80. So it's a whole new competitive landscape once you're over here. And it's just like, we got Bluetooth, we got a nice fit, we got noise canceling. Okay, so does everybody. And why are you going to get my $149? You see how those comparisons are weird? You say, oh, $149 from Apple, it's pretty cheap. But then you go $149 against everyone else, that's actually quite pricey.
Yeah.
If
with the same features.
Just with general features without having transparency and other things. Although the Amazon product does have transparency. All the way down to $80. In-ear design, interchangeable ear tips, little happy face on the side. I don't think they look as good as the Beats with the just completely rounded tip. But I don't know. Are you surprised they dropped the price on the same day that the other ones go out? This is only for Prime members, by the way, but $40 off the second generation. They have active noise canceling. But there's so many to choose from. I mean, it's hard to even figure out what to recommend at the budget price. There's 1,000 to choose from, for real.
Are you using any right now?
You know what? I'm not wearing in-ear headphones very frequently.
Yeah.
Or headphones in general, actually. No.
Okay.
I've been doing road trips. I listen in a car. Obviously, I'm not wearing headphones there. And most of my podcast consumption and stuff has been in the car as well lately. Less travel, less earbuds for me. Right? If I'm on airplanes, then I'm using earbuds a lot. So as the world opens back up now, I think earbuds are going to take a greater role as I am in those environments. But if you think about it, like the earbud, when you're in a public environment, you take them. If you're sitting at the coffee shop, if you're, at the gym, if you think about the places you wear the earbud.
Pretty common, I would say.
But when you're at home a lot, you're using the earbud less.
Yeah. Well, I use it at home.
The earbud?
Yeah, just so I can get a better audio quality for calls.
Calls,
yeah.
Calls would be the one.
At home.
See, I try to avoid calls at all costs.
Yeah, I know you do.
Like when they start talking about the calls, I say, you ever heard of my guy Willie Doo? He loves calls.
Yeah.
See if he wants to have a call.
Just earbuds in the shower too.